All right, let's get right into it. If you're a business leader and you're trying to figure out what this whole cloud thing is all about, well, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on Microsoft Azure and really show you why it's such a game changer for businesses today.
And just so you know where we are, this explainer is actually Chapter 1 of a 5-part course from Virtualization Options LLC. So think of this as building that solid foundation, the essential stuff you really need to know before we go any deeper.
We've got a super clear roadmap for today. First up, we're going to tackle what cloud computing even means. Then we'll properly introduce Microsoft Azure. And to wrap it all up, we'll connect the dots and talk about why any of this actually matters for your business's bottom line.
Okay, so let's start with the basics, right? What in the world is cloud computing? It's a buzzword we hear constantly, but getting what it is, well, that's the key to everything. It's a massive, fundamental shift in how technology works. You know, at its heart, it's pretty simple. Instead of buying and maintaining your own clunky, expensive physical servers in some back room, you're basically just accessing all that good stuff, computing power, storage, you name it, over the internet, and only when you need it. This breakdown really hits the nail on the head. Think of it this way. The old way was like buying a car. Huge upfront cost, you're responsible for all the maintenance, everything. The new way, the cloud way, is like using a ride-sharing app. You just pay for what you use, when you use it, and you don't have to worry about the engine, the oil changes. The provider, like Microsoft, handles all of that. And that leads to some amazing advantages for business. You get this incredible flexibility. Got a huge Black Friday sale coming up? You can scale up instantly. Things a little slow in the summer? You scale down so you're not paying for power you don't need. It just lets you get out of the IT management business and focus on, well, your actual business.
Okay, so now that we have a handle on the cloud itself, let's talk about one of the biggest players out there, Microsoft Azure.
First thing to know, Azure has been around for a while. It launched way back in 2010. We're talking more than a decade of experience, of fine-tuning, and of focusing on what businesses really need. This is a seriously mature platform. And get this, over 600 different services. Now, that's not just a big number to impress you. What it really means is that whatever you're trying to do, from something as simple as storing files to something as complex as using artificial intelligence, Azure has a tool ready for you to use. And it's not just about the digital services. We're talking about a massive physical footprint. Azure has data centers in over 60 regions around the globe, more than anyone else. For you, that means your stuff can run faster and closer to your customers, and it makes dealing with all those local data privacy laws a whole lot easier. Now, if you're wondering if this is all reliable, just look at this stat. 95% of Fortune 500 companies run on Microsoft Azure. Think about that. The biggest, most demanding companies in the world are betting their business on this platform. That says a lot. So if you take away one thing about Azure itself, it's this. It's mature, it's absolutely vast in what it can do, and it is trusted by pretty much everyone. All right, this brings us to the most important part. The so what? How does all this cool tech actually translate into real results that you'll see in your business? First and foremost, and this is the one that gets everyone's attention, is the direct hit to your bottom line. We're talking about seriously reducing your IT costs. This chart says it all. You stop spending a ton of money up front on hardware. That's a capital expense. Instead, you shift to a pay-as-you-go model, an operational expense. For most companies, that means cutting that capital spending by 30, 40, even 50%. It's a huge shift in how you budget for tech. So I want you to really think about this for a second. What could your business do if you suddenly freed up 40% of your hardware budget? Would you hire more people? Pour it into marketing? Develop a new product? It opens up so many strategic possibilities. The second huge benefit is all about speed. Not just a little faster, we're talking a radical new level of speed and agility when it comes to getting your product or service out into the world. I mean, just look at this timeline. The old way to launch in a new country could take months. You had to buy servers, ship them, set them up. It was a whole ordeal. With Azure, you can do it in minutes. Literally, a few clicks and you are live on another continent. That's a game-changing competitive advantage. And that brings us to our final benefit. And this one might be the most exciting. It's all about innovation and leveling the playing field so anyone can compete. Here's the magic. Super powerful tech like machine learning or predictive analytics that used to be only for the mega corporations with billion-dollar budgets.
Azure basically democratizes it. It puts those incredible tools in your hands, making them affordable and accessible. It lets any business of any size innovate and find new ways to grow. So I'll leave you with this one question to really chew on. When you look at your own company, is your technology an anchor? Is it this heavy, expensive thing that's slowing you down? Or is it an engine? Is it something that's actively powering your growth and pushing you forward? Because Azure is built from the ground up to be that engine.